Hello students, I am Mrs. Madhavi Salodkar. Today we have to see the topic univariate discrete probability distribution, which is unit 2 and second lecture for paper 2 for TY BCom students. See the example. Verify whether the given function can be regarded as a probability mass function of x. The function is given as px is equal to x minus 2 upon 5. The range of x is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see the probabilities. Probability x is equal to 1 is given as 1 minus 2 upon 5. So which is equal to minus 1 by 5, which is less than 0. Therefore, the very first condition is not satisfied. Hence, the given function is not a probability mass function of x. Next example. Find k if a random variable x has the following probability mass function. X values are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Probability x is equal to x. The values are given as k, 3k, 5k, 2k and k. We have to find the value of k. So we know that summation of pi must be equal to 1. Therefore k plus 3k plus 5k plus 2k plus k must be equal to 1. So if you add all the k's, it becomes 12k is equal to 1. Therefore value of k can be written as 1 upon 12. The given probability mass function can be written as, write down the range of x as, values of x as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Replace k by 1 upon 12. So the probability x is equal to 0. The probability is k, which is nothing but 1 by 12. 3k, which is nothing but 3 by 12. 5k, so 5 by 12. 2k, so 2 by 12 and 1k, which is 1 by 12. We know that its total is 1. Example. Determine k if a random variable x has the following probability mass function. Px is given as kx square. The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can find the probabilities as probability x is equal to 1 is equal to k. Probability x is equal to 2 is nothing but 4k. We will replace this value we will replace the value of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting the respective probabilities as probability x is equal to 2, the value is 4k. Probability x is equal to 3, the value is 9k. Probability x is equal to 4, the value becomes 16k. Probability x is equal to 5, it becomes 25k. Now we know that summation of pi must be equal to 1. Therefore, k plus 4k plus 9k plus 16k plus 25k must be equal to 1. So we can say that 55k is equal to 1. Therefore, value of k becomes 1 upon 55. The given probability mass function can be written in the tabular form as x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and probabilities are 1 by 55, 4 by 55, 9 by 55, 16 by 55, 25 by 55. So if we take the total is 1. Next example. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. X values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the respective probabilities are 0.1, k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3, k. So first part of the problem, find the value of k. Second part of the problem, probability -1 less than or equal to x less than 2. So we know that summation pi is equal to 1. Therefore 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. So 0.6 plus 4k is equal to 1. So 4k is nothing but 1 minus 0.6. So 4k is equal to 0.4. So value of k is given as 0.4 upon 4, which is equal to 0.1. Therefore, the given probability mass function can be written as value of x are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And the respective probabilities are 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. So if we take the total is equal to 1. Now we have to find the probability -1 less than or equal to x less than 2. See the respective values. -1 less than or equal to x less than 2 can be written as probability x is equal to -1 plus probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1. So add the values, we can get the answer as 0.1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. So the total is 0.5. See the next example. Random variable x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 such that probability x is equal to 1 is equal to probability x is equal to 2. Probability x is equal to 4 is equal to probability x is equal to 5. Probability x less than 3 is equal to probability x is equal to 3 is equal to probability x greater than 3. Find the probability mass function of x. See the solution. Probability x less than 3 can be written as probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2. And probability x greater than 3 is equal to probability x is equal to 4 plus probability x is equal to 5. So as probability x less than 3 is equal to probability x is equal to 3 is equal to probability x greater than 3, probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 3, because we are dividing the probability mass function into 3 parts. So each part will have probability 1 by 3. So let probability x is equal to 1 is equal to x, which is equal to probability x is equal to 2. So x plus x is equal to 1 by 3. So we can say that 2x is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore probability x is equal to 1 is equal to probability x is equal to 2 is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, let probability x is equal to 4 is equal to y. Therefore probability x is equal to 4 plus probability x is equal to 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So y plus y is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore 2y is equal to 1 by 3. So value of y becomes 1 by 6. Therefore the probability distribution of x is given by x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with the respective probabilities as 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. If you take the total is 1. Next example. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. X takes value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The respective probabilities are probability x is equal to x is given as k, 3k, 5k, 7k, 9k, 11k and 13k. First part of the problem, find k. Second part of the problem, find probability x greater than or equal to 2. Third part of the problem, probability 0 less than x less than 5. Solution. We know that summation pi is equal to 1. Therefore, k plus 3k plus 5k plus 7k plus 9k plus 11k plus 13k is equal to 1. So if you take the total, it becomes 49k. Therefore, 49k is equal to 1. So value of k is nothing but 1 upon 49. The probability mass function of x can be written as x takes value with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The respective probabilities are 1 by 49, 3 by 49, 5 by 49, 7 by 49, 9 by 49, 11 by 49 and 13 by 49. The total of all these probabilities is equal to 1. Now we have to find probability x greater than or equal to 2. So we can take the complementary event as 1 minus probability x less than 2, which can be considered as 1 minus probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 by 49 plus 3 by 49. So 1 minus 4 by 49. So the final answer is 45 by 49. Third part of the problem, to find probability 0 less than x less than 5. So the permissible values of x are probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2 plus probability x is equal to 3 plus probability x is equal to 4, which is nothing but 3 by 49 plus 5 by 49 plus 7 by 49 plus 9 by 49. So the total becomes 24 by 49. Next example. Verify whether the following function can be regarded as a probability mass function for the given values of x. Px is given as x square by 14. Value of x are 1, 2 and 3 and equal to 0 otherwise. So we will replace the value x as 1. So probability x is equal to 1 is given as 1 by 14. Probability x is equal to 2 is equal to 4 by 14. Probability x is equal to 3 is nothing but 9 by 14. So every probability is greater than 0. Now we have to take summation pi, which is nothing but 1 by 14 plus 4 by 14 plus 9 by 14. So the total becomes 14 by 14, which is equal to 1. So as every probability is greater than or equal to 0 and summation of pi is equal to 1, given function is a probability mass function. Next concept, cumulative distribution function or distribution function. We'll write the definition. Let x be a discrete random variable taking values x1, x2, xi up to xn with probabilities p1, p2, pi up to pn. Then the cumulative distribution function, which is also called as distribution function, is denoted by capital Fx and is defined as follows. Capital Fx is equal to probability capital X less than or equal to small x. Example, consider the following probability distribution of a discrete random variable x. Obtain cumulative distribution function of x. Second part, draw a graph of the cumulative distribution function. The values of xi are given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Probability x is equal to xi. The probabilities are 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.2. Now capital Fx is defined as probability x less than or equal to small x. So we will rewrite the probability distribution of x as x takes value with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 with respective probabilities 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2 and 0.2. Then capital Fx is calculated as 0.1 as it is. 0.1 plus 0.2. We will just add the next probability it becomes 0.3. 0.3 plus 0.3, so cumulative probability becomes 0.6. 0.6 to 0 plus 0.2, the answer is 0.8, and 0.8 plus 0.2, the final answer becomes 1.0. So distribution function capital Fx is given as 0 if x is less than 1, 0.1, 1 less than or equal to x less than 2, 0.3, 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, 0.6, 3 less than or equal to x less than 4, and 0.8, 4 less than or equal to x less than 5, and 1. So we'll go on adding the probabilities. So the last value becomes 1.0 for x greater than or equal to 5. The graph of the capital Fx is shown as, on x-axis we'll take the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and on y-axis we'll take the cumulative probabilities, and we will just draw the lines in that particular interval. So point 1 to 2, the cumulative probability is 0.1. 2 to 3 it becomes 0.3. 3 to 4 it becomes 0.6. 4 to 5 it becomes 0.8 to 1. Sorry, 0.6 to 0.8, and from 0.5 onwards, at 4 the cumulative probability takes value 1. So dot is the point is included, and circle is point is excluded from the particular set. Example, let the probability distribution of x is given by x takes value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The probabilities are k plus 0.02, k plus 0.05, 5k minus 0.02, 7k plus 0.03, 2k plus 0.02, and 2k. So first part of the problem, find k. Second part of the problem, distribution function of x. Distribution function of x. So we know that summation of pi must be equal to 1. So we'll add all the probabilities. So k plus 0.02 plus k plus 0.05 plus 5k minus 0.02 plus 7k plus 0.03 plus 2k plus 0.02 plus 2k. The total is 1. So if you add all the k's, it becomes 18k plus 0.1 is equal to 1. Therefore 18k is equal to 0.9. Therefore k is equal to 0.9 upon 18. So the answer is 0.05. So the probability mass function of x can be written as, the values of x are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the respective probabilities are 0.07, 0.10, 0.23, 0.38, 0.12 and 0.10. Now we are supposed to calculate the distribution function also, which is nothing but capital Fx. So 0.07 as it is, 0.07 plus 0.10 will add the next probability. So cumulative becomes 0.17. 0.17 plus 0.23. The final value becomes 0.40. 0.40 plus 0.38. The answer is 0.78. 0.78 plus 0.12. It becomes 0.90. 0.90 plus 0.1. The final answer is 1.0.